What's up, everybody? I am hoping my audio comes through. Every time I turn it on, I feel like it's just always finicky. But it has been a minute since I recorded a video for my social media. So, here I am. It is 45 degrees out. So I am bundling as we speak. But considering in the mornings lately it's been around 32, so I haven't been riding to work a whole lot because, dude, that's cold. That's cold. It's not as cold as some places, but it's still pretty darn cold. Alrighty, but man, have I missed riding. Oh, the sky's so pretty. Oh man, this is weird. So, trying out some new gloves this morning, today, whatever. These are built, yeah, not like a crazy fancy, anything crazy. I like built though. I've always had good experiences with built. I usually use built for dirt bike and riding gear, dirt bike and quad, whatever. Always liked them. That brand, it seems to work out pretty well. So the only difference, these are winter gloves. Sorry, just getting the feel for everything again. I haven't ridden in, I feel like, a couple months. It's been icy cold out, man. Oh, super cold. But I like these gloves already. They're nice. The only thing is I'm not used to winter gloves. They're so much more padded, so you don't have that. I don't feel as much because they're so thick. So this will take some getting used to. Last time I had winter gloves, I think the last time I rode in winter gloves was last year. But I think those I toughed out in my summer gloves. That was a mistake. But I wasn't commuting to an office last year, so I never really rode in the super early morning where your hands would just freeze solid. I went the wrong route. I wanted to go by the lake. See, I haven't ridden in so long, I forgot my route. When I ride in the mornings, I usually like to pass by the lake, and I did not this time. Sad day. Already started off wrong. That's alright. But, like I said when I started, it has been a minute since I recorded a video for my social media. So here I am. I'm here vlogging away. Topic of choice that I had on my docket for today is, I sound like I'm getting ready to start a meeting at work. I've been in so many of those now. Alright, training people is good. Topic that's been on my mind lately that I thought would be a good one to talk about, and is more of a, I guess, personal choice or whatever. Should I get a TW200? Not getting rid of thing whatsoever, not getting rid of the Grom. It has been something that has come up as of late as a possibility, or something that I've been revisiting. So a little bit of backstory. Here we go. I've wanted a TW200 since I was a kid. I saw one in the late 90s for the first time when I was a kid. And this dude was riding it down the street, turned a corner, and I just thought it was the coolest bike. Had this big fat rear tire on it. It was really super cool looking, you know, big square headlight. And then, of course, just to seal the deal, we did a little jump over the railroad track. I thought it was the coolest bike. I was riding dirt bikes at the time as a kid, and I don't know, something about that bike stuck out to me. And since then, I have had this love for them. I can't explain it. It's an awesome looking bike. It's not crazy powerful or whatever, but it's a dual sport. Anybody doesn't know what a TW200 is, they've been out since, I believe, 1987. They're still making them today, and they haven't changed. Except for, to my knowledge and research, two changes. They added electric start, I believe, in the late 90s. Oh, it's so foggy. I don't want to ride in solid fog the whole way. Damn. That's okay. Hopefully I'll get on the freeway, it'll all just blow out. Anyway, it's been the same bike, same platform, engine, everything since, I believe, 87. They're still making them today. And Only things that have changed, I believe in the late 90s, early 2000s, around there, was the front brake got converted from drum to disc, and they added electric start fairly early on. And then obviously just the normal colorways that they offer it. But anyway, I still to this day need one in my stable. I want one. I think they're so cool. They're just a super cool bike. And back on this TW thing, another reason it came up is I have one that I'm potentially looking at picking up. Not today or tomorrow, but the following day. I gotta go by the bank, pull out cash. Yesterday was Martin Luther King Day. Went by the bank, forgot. Big notice on the door. Temporary hour change. And they were closed. I was ready to pick it up yesterday. So hopefully it doesn't get sold before I get to it. He tells me it won't, but you know, it's Facebook Marketplace, so you never know. And then I already told him too, you know, I don't blame him, because sometimes people they need to get things sold. If you're in a hurry to sell it, you got someone that's on the hook. I get it. It's first come, first serve. I haven't put any money down on the damn thing. That being said, it's not from a dealer. It's a private sell. It's a 2009. I think it's got 3,000 miles on it. 2009 TW200. It's got an aftermarket pipe on it. And I checked and confirmed with him it was rejetted as well. I'd prefer that. With a carbureted bike, you're going to want it to be rejetted with an aftermarket pipe, because carburetors cannot compensate like an ECU can, fuel injection. If you're just doing an exhaust or just doing a slip-on your bike, it flows more air. It's going to make it run more lean, but not so much to the fact where it's not going to run. Your ECU is going to compensate for it. I know you can tune it and get more out of it, but you'll be fine. With a carbureted bike, you're going to get that same fuel mixture no matter what, because it's the size of the passageways and how it was designed. So anyway, I've got one as a potential buy for later this week. We'll see if it goes through. I'm hopeful, but then I don't know if I fully settled on selling the side-by-side. So here's where I'm at with the side-by-side. Let's just chat it out here. This is my therapy. All right, I'm not going to motor past you. I'm just going to get behind you, bud. Wow, it is cold today. Like, my hands are starting to get cold even in these gloves. These are winter gloves. They are thick. They're not ice cold, but being on the freeway, it'll definitely cool you off. So yeah, here's where I'm at with our side-by-side. I'm getting more and more okay with the idea of selling it. My thing is I'm afraid to sell it and have my family be missing it. Even though they really we'll go on a side-by-side ride with the family. Our friends and family have side-by-sides and we'll do the big rides, but still, if you ask them about riding, they usually want to jump on their quads. And I'm totally cool with that. You know, that's awesome. I love that. I truly do. But if you're in a side-by-side and you're following your wife and kids on a quad, you're doing just that. You're following. You're not really riding. You know, I could zoom by them real quick and then I got to turn around, but I'm kind of just the chase vehicle at that point. If I get it on my own and I go out, oh, it's balls to the wall. Here we go. We're drifting. We're flying. We're going for it. But it's pretty rare that I do that. And I really enjoy riding, just basic riding as well. Open up my thing here. So I think I'm okay with the idea of selling it potentially. Like I said, I just don't want my family to miss out on it. And I mean, I've talked to my wife and she even said, you know, it's mainly your toy. We mainly got it for you. She loves it, but she's not going to be heartbroken if it's gone, because she would prefer to get on her quad and just, you know, go play around in the dirt for an hour or something and come back and chill in the RV and then go back out again a little bit later. And I get it. I'm always the driver. She can drive it. She's driven it before. But even in cars, like, I'm always the driver. I'm just one of those people. I just drive everywhere. I don't mind driving. I love driving. So I've already been reassured by her. And I mean, little man used to like to go out with just Daddy in the side-by-side and go rip around because he likes to go fast. But that didn't really happen on our last trip, and we're not getting as many trips out. So also, it takes up a ton of space in the garage. A ton. Which, I mean, it'd be nice to have that space back. Have the option to put wife's car in the garage now and then if we want to. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and tagging along and hearing me ramble. I hope you're still enjoying my content. Recently hit 59 subscribers. Woo! Actually pretty proud of that. So it's a slow growing platform, but that is okay. So any new subscribers or any support that I get, I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and stick around for more content, especially if you want to see me snag a TW200 and have some of that content on there. So again, thank you guys. I appreciate everybody. I'll catch you later. Ride safe, shiny side up. Peace.